Welcome to this quick guide to enabling Cloudflare's SSL with 20i. When using Cloudflare with 20i, you can choose between several SSL methods. Flexible SSL only encrypts traffic between your visitors and Cloudflare, leaving the connection between Cloudflare and 20i unencrypted. To fully secure your site, switch to full strict mode. This ensures encryption across the entire path. Full strict requires a valid certificate on the 20i platform. Cloudflare Origin Certificates provide encryption between Cloudflare and your origin server and are ideal for this setup. To get started, log into the Cloudflare dashboard and select the domain to apply the SSL to. Go to SSL/TLS, then onto Origin Server. Next, select Create Certificate. Choose Generate Private Key and CSR with Cloudflare. Then, set the following options. Private Key Type, RSA 2048. Host names, add your domain. Validity, 15 years is suitable. Now, click Create. On the certificate screen, set key format to PM. Then, copy and securely save both the origin certificate and private key for later. You also need Cloudflare's RSA Origin CA file to complete the chain. Open Cloudflare's documentation page. Cloudflare Origin CA Root Certificates. Download the Cloudflare Origin RSA PM file. Now you can log into My 20i and go to Manage Hosting. From there, select Options and Manage for your package. Then, select SSL/TLS under the Security tab. Scroll to install external SSL certificate. Select your domain from the drop-down menu. Then, paste the Cloudflare certificate into the certificate section. Paste the private key generated into the private key section. And then finally, paste the Cloudflare Origin RSA PM certificate into the CA bundle/intermediate certificate section. Now click Install and allow up to 30 minutes for deployment. Finally, return to the Cloudflare dashboard and navigate to SSL/TLS, then Overview. Set SSL/TLS encryption mode to full or full strict for strict verification. For more help, check out the full documentation at docs.20i.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos.